back to chasing trophies, another double-header in the IPL. I think this was the second last one. We started with a big game, RCB versus Punjab Kings, and then we moved on to Delhi Capitals versus Rajasthan Royals. Both results going in the favor of the teams who are playing tomorrow, SRH and CSK, with Delhi Capitals winning the night game, RCB winning the day game. RCB have also guaranteed qualification. They are the first team to qualify for the playoffs in IPL 2026. The defending champions, making sure, they continue the momentum from last year. I didn't think that they would make it to the playoffs. I don't think Fazbay also thought, but they have made it to the playoffs, so congratulations to them. First, we'll talk about the Delhi game versus Rajasthan Royals. What a spell from Mitchell Starc, man. Completely changed the complexion of the game. Suryavanshi started off beautifully. He hit Starc for a six. Parag started hitting, so did Jurel, but then that Starc spell completely changed things.
100%. The only thing Delhi would be wishing is if he came 4 games earlier.
Yeah.
खाली गुजरात के गेम में छोड़ दे, कम से कम पंजाब के गेम में रहता तो भाई they would have had a shot at the playoffs today. And that is the value for this guy, man. He's top notch in every format, in everything. You do fear him. हाँ पिटने का तो भाई everybody is human. कहीं ना कहीं पिटेंगे T20 क्रिकेट में, लेकिन जब लेंथ वेरिएट करना है, जब आपको पेस वेरिएट करना है, होशियारी अकॉर्डिंग टू मिचेल स्टार्क से तो बेटर कोई बॉलर नहीं है. एंड राइट नाउ आज को स्पेल करा, एक ओवर में 3 विकेट ऑन अ हैट्रिक होता था, बट या ही इज बीन
Yeah, man, it was incredible from Mitchell Starc. Rajasthan Royals at one time, the projected was like 260. They could have easily got to 220, 230, I feel, but Delhi Capitals pull things back. Like Faz said, if they just had Starc over there, it would have been crazy. Then in the chase, Rahul and Purell got a very good start. Things slowed down there as well. But because you're chasing, you understand what's the equation over there. But Rajasthan be kicking themselves, this they can still make it to the playoffs, but this would have really made it comfortable for them. And a collapse like that, we've seen it in our team when against KKR, but a collapse like that, like surely you play Starc out single double and then go on, like how Delhi did with Jofra Archer to a certain extent.
Yeah, 100%. Bhai, like that's exactly correct. And Rajasthan का वही है कि भाई like अपन देख पराग भी जुरेल का भी मसला चल रहा है. Everything like they're not being able to chase. With Archer के साथ there's no firepower like you mentioned also in the live, right? कि भाई कोई दूसरा बॉलर ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है जो विकेटिंग. आज रवि बिश्नोई भी नहीं खेल सका उनके लिए. That was a bit of a miss for them. रवि बिश्नोई को इम्पैक्ट सब में शानाका को ला लिया. शानाका भी कोटा नहीं फिनिश करे. आप डोनाल्ड फरेरा को भी बीच में ला लिया. So you didn't exactly know what to do at टाइम पे है. पराग की थोड़ी अपन बोल सकते हैं immaturity आता है, कैप्टनसी भी दिखाई दी. He himself got injured, I think, and he himself didn't bowl. He's also a bowling option at the end of the day. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो bowling option Starc खाड़ दिया आर्चर से, वो expectation था, but वो at the end of the day नहीं हुआ. And we got to credit the way Delhi went calmly about things. कहीं ना कहीं बीच में अटक रहे थे, but फरेरा के ओवर में थोड़े वो छक्के मारेंगे.
आपको लग रहा है कि ये जैसा मेरे लिए ये तीसरा सीजन है 24 से मैं देख रहा हूँ कि जायसवाल डिसअपॉइंट कर रहा. 23 में और 22 में भी शायद जायसवाल वाज अनबिलीवेबल. दिस वन सीजन ही वाज लाइक एंड 24 में भी अगर आप देखें उसमें भी उसका 100 ये वो आया था. एंड चलो ठीक है, उतना ग्रेट सीजन नहीं आया, इसलिए विराट कोहली वेंट टू ओपन इन दैट वर्ल्ड कप. इट वाज गोइंग टू बी जायसवाल एंड रोहित एंड कोहली वन डाउन. बट अप until 24 जायसवाल वाज द ओपनर while कोहली एंड रोहित वर देयर इन द T20 वर्ल्ड कप, एंड surely he was going to be the next Indian opener. उसके बाद भाई संजू भी आ गया, अभिषेक भी आ गया, ईशान किशन भी आ गया, मगर जायसवाल का नाम नहीं आ रहा. एंड यू सॉ अगेन a couple of good innings at the start of the season, but now he's diminished again as a player.
I think Jaiswal needs to identify what he wants to do, right? Like Suryavanshi ke saath maybe thoda not like he looks like he doesn't know what to do. If he plays his game, maybe people will start calling out. Maybe I think he's fearing that a bit. He is an explosive batsman, but I think Jaiswal is one who also builds his innings. Like he needs a couple of deliveries to understand and then go mayhem. आप जैसा बोले 23 सीजन में I think he had 2 to 3 centuries as well. He had 114 I think against MI in that Jaipur match. He was fantastic. Then 24 में he was good. 25 में थोड़ा stocks गिर गए. This season also promising like that, but again too much backward. Everybody knows backward cut पे उनका एक जगह पे उन्हें थोड़े फिसल जाते. साथ ही साथ accelerate करना है उनको मालूम है. सूर्यवंशी एक जगह से मार रहा, तो maybe he can take the time to go about his way of things. I think उसमें थोड़ा mismatch हो रहा है कि aggressive होना. Yes, he can be aggressive, but what I see with Jaiswal is he also needs time. He's one of a guy who plays time shots and stuff like that. Sometimes I think वो over aggressiveness में कहीं ना कहीं मार खा जा रहे हैं, and just probably takes some time to play his own game and not. I don't think he's getting overshadowed or over thought about Suryavanshi, but वो Suryavanshi इतनी मेहनत करा कि he's looking like I have to also do something.
But that's how it is. It should be
Yeah.
a teamwork. You see Priyansh Arya, Prabh Simranji, Abhishek Sharma, Travis Head. There's always a teamwork over there. Like Sai Sudarshan, Shubman Gill as well, Phil Salt, Virat Kohli. Like that's how it is. Like he needs to break. He needs to understand कि अगर उन्हें नहीं contribute करेगा, then then वो वाला effectiveness नहीं आएगा team. And exactly यही हो रहा. Imagine he also got off like even not to a flyer. If he got like 30 of 20 balls or 30 of 18 balls with that Suryavanshi 40 of 18, it would have just changed the complexion of the game. So yeah, I mean, Jaiswal has been disappointing last couple of days. I still feel he's a very good cricketer and he's going to be an all-format player for India. But he's going to be. मैं 3 साल से बोल रहा हूँ. Like I just hope that he gets that back.
Like again, he was there in the orange cap contention, but जैसा बोला momentary में जो runs मारना है आपको, and I think वही है कि भाई वो अरे यार सूर्यवंशी हर गेम में मारा ऐसा नहीं कि यार सूर्यवंशी has only played in one game I think against us. Yeah. 2 games at the most. This guy.
And whenever he's failing, like even that Jamieson game he failed, but he's always coming back. You know what I mean?
100%. It doesn't look like it's impacting his point, right? And this guy is getting impacted because सूर्यवंशी और जायसवाल में वही फर्क है कि भाई जायसवाल के दिमाग में यार इंडिया खेलना है, सूर्यवंशी के दिमाग में यार under 19 India, I have time, I'm doing well, like that. Maybe that is something that is going mentally into it. Maybe not. I may be overlooking at it. But I still feel like कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा बोला यार सूर्यवंशी हमेशा कर रहा है, मुझको करना पड़ेगा एंड आज भी आप देख लो सुपर स्ट्राइकर ऑफ द मैच सूर्यवंशी
एंड भाई उन्हें बुमराह को नहीं छोड़ा, हेजलवुड को नहीं छोड़ा, आज मिचेल स्टार्क को भी नहीं छोड़ा, पैट कमिंस को भी नहीं छोड़ा, सबको छक्के मारा हुआ है, लाइक सबसे एलीट बॉलर्स
हमारे कैप्टन का फेवरेट प्लेयर है
सूर्यवंशी. हाँ या आई मीन मेरा भी फेवरेट प्लेयर वही है. लाइक जब भी उन्हें बैटिंग करता आज भी लाइक हम लोग अभी मैच खत्म करें मगर आई वाज कीन टू वॉच हिम बिकॉज़ सूर्यवंशी वाज स्विंगिंग एंड ब्रो इवन इन दैट उन्हें एक दो डिफेंड करा फिर छक्का मारा. ही इज नॉट जस्ट स्विंगिंग ब्लाइंडली ओवर देयर. ही इज इनक्रेडिबल टैलेंट. ऑब्वियसली ही विल गो थ्रू अ वेरी रफ पैच आई एम श्योर बिकॉज़ ही इज यंग बट व्हाट अ टैलेंट व्हाट अ प्लेयर सूर्यवंशी. लेकिन राजस्थान के लिए अब थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी हो गया सिचुएशन. दिल्ली तो ऑलमोस्ट आउट ही हो गई. द अदर गेम तो मैन पंजाब किंग्स 6 मैच हार के भाई, पहले 6 जीते फिर 6 हार के लगातार. मेरे हिसाब से मैं तो पहली बार देख रहा हूं ऐसा. मतलब आप 6 जीतो फिर 6 हार दो. लाइक जितना भी आप पैसे खर्च मतलब कमा रहे वही खर्च दे रहे. इट वाज क्रेजी मैन. बट या विराट कोहली गेटिंग अ 50. देन आउट ऑफ द मेन्यू, आउट ऑफ अ डिफरेंट लाइक अंडर द टेबल जो रहता है वेंकटेश अय्यर from I don't know where Rajat Padilla को replace करता है, but he does a very similar impactful job in terms of he damaged the spinners and then he finished off the game 70 or 40 odd deliveries. What an innings from him.
अभी तो इंटरनेट किंग्स बोलना पड़ेगा मतलब है पंजाब किंग्स को भी कल देयर only talked about not cricket but just social media right now. Everybody is impacted by the internet and the the banter and though however you take it. I think that has got I think Punjab is not used to this much attention. They're not a spotlight team right now, and I don't think the mindset has yet crafted into that dressing room कि भाई हम बड़े franchise हैं. With all due respect, like 2014 के बाद आप देखो वो upliftment नहीं आई थी. 24-5 के बाद एकदम consecutive season में first time in my life मैं देख रहा हूँ कि they've done well, and they usually start well but they would end up bad. But this season now with Sarpanch and Ricky Ponting they have become. अब उसमें क्या है आप बहुत जल्दी या तो cloud में आ गए आप. And you're not able to handle that as a franchise and as a team, or maybe players are not impacted, maybe not one player ke alawa, but there may be other players are not impacted. But the temperament when you become a big team and other teams are bantering you, thoda impact hoga. But yes, I mean RCB so they've been fantastic. As much as I would not, but today I'd have to say thank you to them because of Sunrisers Hyderabad. They have made life a bit easy for us, and obviously our counterpart tomorrow in tomorrow's game. But I did not expect this performance from Surya Sharma, Krunal Pandya. So I think is most important right now. The way he just defended those 4 overs day in and day out. Wicket मिले ना मिले 26 से 38 के रेशियो में ही उसका है. Probably एक गेम पिटा होगा उसके अलावा. I don't remember anything. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar has been like 2016. Like you have to go back and check his numbers are just mad. साथ ही साथ विराट कोहली तो भाई he has adapted to this version of the T20 as well, and fitness levels and the field में रहने दो. अभी भी वही जज्बा वही जुनून आप कैसा कैरी करते हैं ना. लाइक हम कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी सी ना डे इन डे आउट करके बोर हो जाते हैं. You need monotony, he kicks in the, but this guy is just enjoyed by the process, right? And Venkatesh Ayal साहब बोले भाई like a couple of shots on the leg and the long levers he used it today against the spin. Very good attack. And like you said, off the menu because Virat and the also didn't probably expect him, and everyone was shocked when he was hitting those sixes and against his former captain Sarpanch.
Yeah, and that one shot I also like the one over mid off that he hit straight batted. And that's the thing. I think Punjab Kings it's a matter. If you look at the bowling attack and you look at RCB's, I think RCB's is overperforming because I know Josh Hazlewood is a world class player, but he's also coming back from injury.
Yeah.
Bhuvneshwar Kumar is 36, 37, and he is also bowling. We saw him in the last 2 years in Sunrisers. This is not the bowling that he used to bowl. This is next level. He's taken on another level. This is Bhuvi of 2016. Right, we've had Bhuvi for like 10 years, and he's only bowled this in his prime, which is 20, 14 onwards or whatever it is. He was amazing. Even 2013 when he played for Pune Rising Giants, उसमें भी अच्छा था. लेकिन यार हमारे जो last 2 years थे Bhuvi के साथ 22 ले लो 23, 24 ये 3 साल थे Bhuvi पिटता था उन्हें, especially in the death overs. But now he's overperforming. Hazelwood, okay, ठीक है, is one bowler. Then you've got Kunal Pandya is overperforming. Suresh is overperforming. Rashik Salam, man, again he picked up 3 wickets today. The death over में उन्हें 2-3 wicket ले लिया. I know that it got close, and you can see that there is weaknesses in the RCB bowling lineup. The way Shashank came and played today, I mean, outstanding innings from Shashank. He was really good today, but you could see weaknesses in the bowling. But whereas, you look at Punjab bowling, Arshdeep international current, Jansen international current, Bartlett international current, UC Chahal, one of the best IPL bowlers, in the last few years. So that is the problem. I think that Punjab is really underperforming the bowling. हर मैच में 12 मैच हो गए यार, हर मैच में ऑलमोस्ट लोग 200 खा रहे हैं. जो मैचेस भी जीते 260-70 चेस कर रहे हैं आप, मतलब आपके बैटर्स के कोई रिलीफ नहीं है. एंड जहां पे आपकी टॉप ऑर्डर नहीं चलती, वहां पे मिडिल ऑर्डर को दिक्कत आती. बट यू कैन ऑलवेज ब्लेम द बैट्समैन. द बॉलर्स हैव टू टेक रिस्पांसिबिलिटी. एंड आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, Arshdeep again today, he was bowling well, and then suddenly उन्हें कहीं और फेंक देता बॉल को. The same thing with Ferguson today, and if Ferguson doesn't play, Bartlett is doing the same thing. If he's not playing, Jansen is doing the same thing. There's inconsistency in their bowling. Now Shreyas Iyer is losing the plot as a captain now because he also initially and एक खासियत है पंजाब का, they're taking every game close, but they're not being able to cross the line anymore, and it's become a mental block for them. आज भी अगर आप देखें close चले गया game, but you could also say that okay, they wouldn't have a chance. But so many other games जहाँ पर लोग डिफेंड कर रहे हैं, उनको दिक्कत आ रही, and अब उनको चेस करना था, ज्यादा रन खा लिया डेथ ओवर्स में. So it's been that kind of season for them. I cannot believe it. I think the start that you get, एक तो आप मैच जीत के आप टॉप 2 मैच, अब आरसीबी को देखो. RCB lost to Lucknow Super Giants when they were 10th. Right, RCB lost a couple of other games here and there. I think Gujarat se haare, Rajasthan se haare, Gujarat se haare. But they're coming back. More team आप देख लो, Punjab should be doing something like that. Now I know that off the field भी चल रहे चीजें, and it's not helping them anymore. उसका आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. हम लोग तो खाली बोल सकते हैं कि try and focus on the game, but in the game also, the tactics are looking a bit thing. And how is the situation now going into the playoffs?
Into the playoffs by now, the maximum they can reach is 15. They would have reached 17.
1 point. वो 1 point अब KKR का मतलब.
तो जिट्टा को लेके वापस फर्क नहीं है, but वो 1 point will stupefy them. But again, they're themselves to blame. They can't blame anyone else. They had an opportunity today. They had an opportunity in their previous 5 games. 6 on the trot, losing streak जब है, I don't think playoffs up. And again, I think a lot has to do with the dependability on Shreyas Iyer in the middle. Cooper Conley has been well, but Shreyas Iyer जो impact अब Shreyas Iyer जब power play में आए ना, उनके कंधे गिर गए थे, because Shreyas Iyer was the man to take them in those middle overs par 100. उन्हें आके लाइट लेके मारता है, when you never know कि भाई Shreyas Iyer क्या रेट पे runs मारता, but कहीं ना कहीं उसकी आदत. So that जो उनका outside edge लगा, and obviously Jitesh taking the catch and stuff. That made a bit of thing, and I think उसका ना रole definition थोड़े middle order में better होना चाहिए. Priyansh and Prop चल गए, अब नहीं चल रहे. 6 मैचेस में भी आप उसपे only didn't work in 2 to 3 matches, but it majorly comes down to their fielding as well, their bowling as well, the catch efficiency.
Catch बहुत छोड़ है यार.
But that again we can compare with the Sunrise Red, who win the most, and batting के साथ at least they're doing, and bowling के साथ they're overperforming like you mentioned with RCB as well. So that is where again bowling, fielding have been the main thing. Apart from the outfield dramas. In the game, they're just losing it because of their own mistakes, and they have no one to blame.
And it is clear, देखो आप जितना भी बोलो, focus on the game. It is clear that जो बाहर चीजें चल रही हैं उनके players को इफेक्ट कर रही है. उन्हें प्रभ सिमरन जब कीपिंग कर रहा, इधर उधर भाग जा रहा, ये कर रहा, वो कर रहा, he's हर बॉल के बाद ऐसा उन्हें भाग जा रहा stumps को, he's wasting his energy, bro, because he's trying to prove a point over there, right? So I think Arshdeep जो कर रहा, he's trying to prove a point as well कि भाई मैं कर सकता हूँ, अरे मेरा स्नैपचैट प्राइवेट मतलब प्राइवेट क्या, मेरा स्नैपचैट में चलने दो, मैं तो परफॉर्म करूंगा. they're trying to prove a point. उन्हें भी so that is where they have to just take a chill pill, I think they need to have like a bonding session. Maldives would have really helped them, but like just have a chill session like in the hotel or whatever, relax and understand that भाई हम लोग finalists थे last year, हम आ सकते हैं वापस, अपने पास player हैं. But yeah, like ये सब चीजें don't let it affect you that much. Try and do something which distracts your mind then.
Yeah, I mean, when you have a veteran there like Ricky Ponting, who's a born champion, right? And I think he was red, furious red, man. In all the 6 games, he हमने हरा था उसको कैसे हारे? Like उसको समझ में किसी को भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि भाई जो टीम पहले 6 जीतेगी, दूसरे 6 क्या like 7 कैसे हारेगी यार? पहले 7 में से 7 जीत के आप पहले 6 कैसे हारे? Whatever the equation is, एक ड्रॉ हुआ था सॉरी इसमें तो. How are you slipping? And he knows like catches, but catches क्यों नहीं हो रहे? Like ये तो डॉली को आप catches है. It's not even like कि भाई चलो one handers है या Phil Salt बन गया. Mark Hansen is taking a one-handed catch against us, and now they're dropping such catches. Like you can't control anything of those. Like it's on the day, and very poor slips of management. Intrude हो रही है नहीं हो रही, but management also not helping with those supporting tweets and stuff. Just leave it, bro. Like why do you have to reply to it?
Yeah, and the thing is with Punjab, the way the team was built, right? I expect them to do better than RCB because I feel that RCB has players on the decline. Punjab has players on the incline. They have players coming up, man. Prabh Simran, Priyansh Arya. अभी इंडिया भी खेलना है इन लोग को.
Priyansh Arya तो ऑलरेडी उसपे domestically उतना अच्छा नहीं कर रहे थे. तब पंजाब में स्टिल
मतलब उनके पास ऐसे जो प्लेयर है जो अगर आप उनकी स्क्वाड देखें, there are players on the up जो अभी फ्यूचर बहुत है. बार्टलेट भी देख लो, अब यानसन भी देख लो, अर्शदीप भी देख लो, एक आध और फिर एक्सपीरियंस भी है इन अय्यर एंड चाहल. बैंगलोर में यार उनके पास कृणाल पांड्या 30+, हेजलवुड 30+, विराट कोहली 30+, भुवनेश्वर कुमार 37. So like they have a lot of other players like they need to groom like I mean Bangalore like उनका जो future है it's a bit more difficult than Punjab. So that's why I thought Punjab will do better. लेकिन RCB have maintained that and जो भी उनके small replacements हैं उन लोग they were also stepping up like Venkatesh Iyer did the job. उन्हें ये season आया शायद ना last season नहीं था. उन्हें आके भाई एक मैच जिता दिया उन लोग को and qualify करा दिया. So they are looking better, but on paper for me I thought Punjab would do better than RCB. I thought that they would have a fire lit up and they have a good squad, they have a very good captain. But yeah, man, it looks like Bangalore are ahead of them right now in the pack.
And middle overs में भी आप देखो like from 10th over onwards आप लगातार 12 के रन रेट से मार खा रहे and आपकी bowling आज भी not bad थी. उसमें तो मजा आ गया था आपके पास. You had Arshdeep, you had what's his name, Chahal को बहुत बुरा मारे, but you had the experience and वही है कि भाई when your experience is not able to provide you at least in 6 games one kind of a good spell or 2 spells, and that's a little bit concerning. And for RCB like Mr. Iyer के अलावा देवदत्त पडिक्कल वो जो stability line है उनके top 3 में despite losing an opener they're not feeling scared or insecure. They're going after the ball with Dev Padikkal. So yeah, I mean RCB has covered their tracks very well. Whereas Punjab, I think with Cooper Conley that signing has been spot on, but the cracks are because of the players like not stepping up to the plate right now.
Yeah, 100%, man. I think it's this is going to be next interesting week. It is going to be the last week of the group stages. कल से शुरू हो जाएगा. Last week Monday को पहला मैच Sunrisers versus CSK. That's a big game for both teams because both teams are in and around now and they both got results in the favor. अब उन लोग के लिए clear है 2 मैच जीते तो आ जाएंगे playoff में, तो दोनों को जीतना जरूरी है. In particular, I think CSK are playing at home, so they will have pressure. But Sunrisers also, they need to get a victory after the week. I mean, the last few games that they had. I think we lost the last game to Gujarat, so we need to see a comeback over there. Yeah. Hopefully, we see that. But yeah, thank you, friends. Thank you, everybody. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe button, do leave a comment as well on the video, and take care and see you guys on Monday. Bye bye.